against the commission of any offense.
Let it be clear, Mr. Gumadu, just a moment. The Anti-Terrorism Act was from 2013.
Yes.
What the minister said some 20 or more years ago. So one is older than the other. I think that's the point Kade is making here. So can a law that was just recently promulgated be held against an offense committed much longer than before the law came?
Thank you. Thank you for entering that caveat, because I was responding precisely to what Kennedy posed as a question. Now, if it is from your own point of view, as I understand it now, there is a very clear legal position to that. You cannot prosecute any person in Nigeria for an offense that does not constitute a crime as at the time that act was committed. I'm referencing the fundamental rights provision of Section 36, not Section 12.
Okay.
So you have a valid point there.
Okay. Now, what do you say? What do you say then to those who are saying, the PDP, for instance, which is saying that DSS ought to invite the Honorable Minister for some questions based on these allegations? What do you make of it?
Well, I'm not going to toe the line of PDP, essentially because I know what their roles are in this country and when they take position. But please, on this particular matter, I have also heard you in your remarks say that I think they were echoing what the Honorable Member of the House said, that no person ever remembered that while this man was being screened, you know, as a Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. You see, we must find a way of exiting all of these games in a way that enables us approach some form of solution to the problems that we have. I say this because this whole style or pattern of shifting the blame to the Nigerian people who are the victims of the failure of leadership in this country must end. Okay. You have a minister whose statements have been regretted and apology tendered, and you're saying, why was there no Nigerian who raised this point? What was the responsibility of the Senate at that material time? What about the State Department of State Security that ought to conduct serious background checks on all of these people to be able to highlight these aspects of these gentlemen who are put forward for their appointment? You know, there are insecurity killings everywhere, and some governors, as they come, you go get whatever you need, defend yourself. Why do we have the armed forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria? Why do we have the law enforcement agencies? Why do we pay our tax to be protected by the Nigerian state? If, in the event of such serious situations, we will all be asked to go solve our problems. Like you rightly put, why did we even have the election? Okay. Representative democracy envisages that leadership should be entrusted in the hands of representatives on behalf of every person who have elected those people to go and serve.
All right. Well, Mr. Ogumadu, we have to thank you very much for your perspectives this morning. Most certainly something to celebrate. Malaki Ogumadu is a legal practitioner as well as immediate past national president of Committee for the Defense of Human Rights. Once again, thank you very much for your time.
It was my pleasure. Thank you.